Good morning, students. Today is our history session and we are reading our first chapter, that is tracing changes through 1000 years. तो मेनली हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे मेडिवल पीरियड के बारे में, दैट वाज फ्रॉम 700 to 1750 AD. This was the period that saw different changes, and it was a period of mobility. People traveled from here to there to different places, and in this age people were divided into different kinds of jatis like Marathas, Sikhs, Jats, Ahoms and Kayasts. This is the period when people started worshipping new deities, and importance of Brahmins, the priests, increased, and the idea of bhakti also was introduced in this period. Let's know about this period by the historians and their sources. The first are the archaeological sources, that include the inscriptions. Inscriptions are the matter written on stones, rocks, temple walls or bricks. Number second, buildings and monuments. Buildings and monuments contain ancient temples, mosques, forts, tombs or any other places. Number 3, coins. Coins give us information regarding to dates, names of various rulers and what was the condition in their reign. The second are the literary sources. These literary sources contain holy text. Holy text means Vedas and Brahmans, etc. Chronicles of rulers, letters and teachings of saints, petitions and judicial records. No printing press in those times was present, so there are manuscripts written by hand. The example of manuscripts are Katha Sarit Sagar, Raj Tarangini, Prithviraj Raso and many more, etc. Al-Biruni's Tehreek-e-Hind, Abul Fazl's Ain-e-Akbari and Akbarnama. Number 3 literary source through which we know about the time and the period, that are autobiographies written by different kinds of rulers based on their lives, like Futuhat-e Firoz Shahi written by Firoz Shah Tughlaq and Tuzuk-e-Babri written by Babur. At last we come to know about this period by the foreign travelers' accounts. There were so many travelers who visited India during this period. Out of them, Ibn Battuta, Marco Polo, Niccolo Conti are main, and their books bring a light on the history of those times. Thank you very much.